Hey, Sean Best from the Bird Bros here. We're gonna ask some people some questions and see how much they really know about birds. Okay. I got a question for you.
Go ahead.
Why did the owl go to the party?
I don't know.
For a hoot.
Nice.
They say that Bruce Willis has discovered a new species of bird. What is the name of that bird?
Oh my gosh, I gotta think about that. The magpie heart? No, that doesn't work.
Magpie heart. That's pretty good.
I tried.
It's
Yeah. Can you tell us?
it's the Goose Willis. Ah.
Go.
Alright. What bird parties the hardest?
I don't know what bird party's the hardest.
A raven.
A raven.
Because they're raven? Raven?
It's pretty good. I'll give you that. It was pretty good.
Is it okay?
I don't know. It was pretty good.
Awesome.
Pretty good.
Well, thanks for watching the Bird Bros Bad Bird Jokes. If you have any bad bird jokes for us, leave them in the comments below. Maybe we'll put them in a video. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. Stay fly, my friends.